Hi, I'm Miss Julie from Macaroni Kid, and I'm going to take you into my beehive. We have to use a little bit of smoke that calms the bees down so that we can work with them. But it doesn't hurt them. We're going to open this up. This is where their food is stored. And they drink a combination of sugar water. Oh, look. They are bursting at the seams. I think they're going to need more space. But can you do a close-up of the bees? Here they are. They're all working. They're looking and looking for food. So we're going to give them some fresh food. I think they're thirsty. I think everything is thirsty. It's very hot lately. Now, in between, see, we're taking this up, and they make like a glue that's called propolis, which is very good for you. And look at all those bees. Holy moly. We're going to see if we can find the queen in here, but I don't think she'll be on this level. Jackie, want to give them a little bit of smoke? Excellent. Yeah, just do a little smoke there. Good. Perfect. Excellent. We're just going to lean this here. These all are very busy. You've probably heard the expression busy as a bee. So let's see what they're doing here. Let's see if we can pull a frame out. They take the nectar from the flowers and they bring it back here, and then they manufacture it into the honey we all love so much. It takes them 2 million flowers to get 1 pound of honey. So, and they have to go pretty far. Oops. We're just going to go up a little bit because I can't get it up. How about it, Jack? Can you take a look at that? I mean, just...
Should I grab it?
Yeah, just take a picture. There we go. Look at all that. Now that's capped honey.
She is.
Well, she is big.
She is beautiful. Yeah, she's fat.
Wow.
That's great. See, she's looking for more room to lay already.
So we just found the queen. She's the one with the big blue dot. She lays all the eggs. Here are a lot of bees in the hive. Here is a bee on a flower, and that's a dandelion. So you'll see bees as you walk on the grass, and they take all the pollen back to the hive. Here's a beautiful flower with a bee inside, and we need the bees so we can have food like peaches and lettuce and tomatoes, nice salads. Anything we eat, the bees have a hand in. Guess who else likes honey that the bees make? And that's the bears. So we have to protect our hives. But when you're out walking around, take a look in the flowers, see if you see any bees. Thanks for coming and visiting my hive. Next time, maybe I'll show you my alpacas, if you read a book about alpacas. Thanks for stopping, and I hope you subscribe to Macaroni Kid, Johnstown-Laurel, Highlands-Altoona, and get all the scoop on what's going on in town.